This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Warm welcome to you for issue 4 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. Another one where things start to come together and start to look even better than it does at the moment. The Mind Stone, we're going to get that finally finished off after the last one where we've messed around with it. Objective, conquer the Earth. Always a good plan. It's nice to have a plan, isn't it? You didn't want to get up and not have any plans to do throughout the day. So, yeah, there we go. The new Marvel. New Marvel. Captain Marvel, not Captain Marvel. Because that's different. Yeah, there we go. Lots of different things happening there. Fighting and stuff. Fights. The Mind Stone. And a purple cloth. I'm not entirely certain. They don't mention the purple cloth. We don't mention the purple cloth. Right, so we're putting some decorative pieces on the base, the back of the hand that we've already got. We're putting the Mind Stone bit together and then installing it into there. It's going to be good. It's going to look good. The High Evolutionary. We're looking at, you've pushed me too far, Avengers. Okay. Don't want to upset the big bad people. There we go. Yeah, all things about the comics, which I have not read. Fantastic Four, I'm aware of, but again, haven't read. They look different to how I pictured them and how they used to look in my way of doing it, or my memory of reading about them. But there we go. Right, let's get this out of the way and let's get some stones fitted. Okay, today's delivery, along with some screws from left over from last time, which I shall use up this time. Another pack of screws, obviously, as well. This is the purple cloth. I'm assuming that it's a cleaning cloth for polishing and keeping your shiny metal bits shiny. But they don't mention it, so I shall just put it aside for now. I haven't needed to clean anything up as yet. We've got these pieces to put on first, so let's move that off to one side. Let's bring in from before, if you remember the size of it. Look at how big it is. We don't need that quite yet. We'll be getting to that, but not yet. This is what we're going to be doing. First of all, we're fitting the extraneous bits to this. We've got these that go there, nice and easy. They all locate in place. They're all screwing from the other side. That one's got, well, we've got 3 screws to put into that one, and 3 for the other one as well. They go there. These go there, up next to it. And then we've got the final sort of arrow type one. Goes across the top and fills in that join quite nicely. So that's that. I shall get these screwed in off camera and then we'll work on the insertable stone piece. So there we have those 5 pieces attached securely, making it look more impressive. So next up we are dealing with the big yellow stone, not the mind stone. Yes, the Mind Stone, I believe. As ever, it has a little notch where the little cutout piece will sit, so you have to get it the right way round. That's there. This has got the white light behind it. We need from before a couple of springs go onto those posts like that. Now these springs do actually fit on fairly tight onto those posts, so you can turn it upside down without any problem, which makes putting it onto here much easier. Again, you've got to get this the right way around. There is a blob on here and a notch on that side. So turn that over, line up the posts with the holes, and everything should sit nicely around there. That will glow when you click it. Push it a little bit harder. 4 screws will hold that in place. Let's grab those. And once we've done that, we have finished another issue. So Yeah, I'm surprised that we're getting the stones so quickly. I knew the first one or first two would come very quickly because obviously the artworks need you to, desire to want to start getting things, so they give you some interesting bits to begin with. But I would have expected them to space out the others a little bit more. I'm sure the last one will be on the last issue or something like that, but it's very nice, and I'm happy with the speed at which it's coming together. Saying that, I have peeked ahead, and next week is a much shorter video. So yeah, be warned for that. They're not all going to be putting in stones, because obviously there's not going to be dozens of stones. There are, in fact, 6. So that's that all tightened up onto there. There we go. That's that, and that is now ready to be fitted using the magnets. Again, it'll only go one way around. There's a flat side, so don't worry about getting it the wrong way up. That now sits in there. It looks lovely. It looks nice. It fits. So we've got now, including from last time, the time stone which goes on the thumb. We have these ones. Yeah, I've got to push more at the top of that one because it's such a big one. It's got a special place to push. So we have 3. We're halfway there on the stones, and I'm liking the way it's going together. It's massive. It's huge. Look at the size of it. It's going to be quite a nice display piece. Look, I've got fingerprints on it already. That's why they gave you the cloth. Some of it's shinier than others. So there we go. That is another week completed. Thank you very much for joining me. Stick around for the next one very soon. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.